Hello there. In this video, we're going to talk about how to install the Tron Wallet onto your operating system. If you the first place to go to is to go to tronlink.org. There you can see you can download for an Android system, or an iOS system, or on your computer in Chrome as a Chrome extension on your browser. For the purposes of this illustration, we're going to install Tron as a Chrome extension on my computer. So first of all, we can do that. We go to the Chrome Web Store to get the extension installed. You can see I already have Chrome installed. I'm going to remove it just for the purposes of this illustration to show you step by step how we install it. Okay? So you should have Add to Chrome if you don't already have it as you get to the Chrome store. So what I'm going to do now is just simply click on Add to Chrome. If you don't have it, it's going to allow you to add the extension. So you will click on Add Extension. Once you click on Add Extension, it's going to add it to your Chrome extensions list. Once that is done, you're going to see a message come up that tells you that Tron Link has been added to Chrome. Okay, you can close that message, and then in its place you'll see the remove from Chrome, which shows you that it's been added. Now, in order to create the wallet, we'll have to go back in our extensions panel here. If you don't already have it, I have a few here already. Click on that, and then you just select your Tron Link. Once you click on it, the first step will be to choose a password for your wallet. So it's going to ask you to insert a password. So I'm going to choose a password. It's going to show you some instructions on some rules surrounding the passwords. They must have at least 8 characters, and then you must also contain some numbers or symbols in it. And both passwords must match. Once it checks out OK, click on Continue. And it gives you an option to create the wallet. If you don't already have it, you should click on Create. If you already have a wallet and you have your 12 mnemonic words, you can restore a wallet from a previous installation. But for the purposes of this, we are creating a wallet. I'm going to click on Create. Okay. I'm going to ask you to give it a name. You can call it any name you want, as long as nobody else is using it. You don't have an account already. Name that. You can see the rules too. At least 4 characters, can contain alphanumeric numbers along with optional spaces. Yeah, and it's not used by any other account. Once you give it a name, and you can always change this name later. Click on Continue, and it exposes your 12 words. I will blur these 12 words out certainly for security reasons, but these 12 words are your private key that you do not share with anybody. And it tells you to write it down. Make sure that you write it down multiple places if you have to, so that you remember it should you ever need to restore your wallet. So I'm going to write down my private words, and then after that it's going to ask me for it again. To make sure you write down the private words in the same sequence that it was presented to you, because it expects you to also give it back in the same sequence. So once I've finished writing down my private keys, 12-word private key, I click on Continue. Now in this screen now, it's going to ask me to now repeat or confirm the mnemonic phrase. And it gives you the instructions there. So select the words in the correct order to make sure you to finalize your account creation. So I'm going to go through that process now, and I'm going to select my words that it gave me. Once I'm done, I am going to, you will see the confirm button. Click on this to get rid of it. Once I finish, this confirm button will light up, and then we're ready to go. So here we go. I am going to finish up adding the words as I was presented, as it was presented to me. And once I'm done, confirm will come up, and I click on confirm. If you do it correctly, then your wallet right there has been created. So you can see I have created my Tron Link wallet as an extension on my browser. Yeah. So now the wallet is ready for you to fund. It means to add Tron to your wallet. That'll be the end of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, GCE Team Crypto, for other videos and interesting information surrounding the crypto world. Thank you and have a wonderful day.